I don't know how to pose. I don't know how to pose. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Margiey. If you don't know me, hi, welcome. I don't know how many of you guys know Michelle Anyango of Nwele Chronicles. She has a YouTube channel where she shares hair care videos and like a lot of hairstyles she does herself and head wraps. So she has the amazing head wraps and she also sells them. So the other day I went to her shop. Where's her shop? Her shop is in Stamol. She has her products in a shop in Stamol. Stamol is accessed from Tomboya, just opposite Best Lady, the big building that has Best Lady. Opposite it, you'll see Stamol in shop, I think A12. A12, yes, is where you can find Michelle's products. Amazing colors, bold, bright. I love them. She also sells earrings and she also started recently selling spray bottles. These amazing cool continuous spray bottles, so it sprays like literally continuously, and I think that's just really cool. I'm fascinated by it. There's the narrow ones and then there's the wider ones. I like the wider ones because you can tie a lot more different types of hairstyles with them. You get, yeah, it'd be fun if I tried using Michelle's head wrap and follow Michelle's tutorial on YouTube on how to tie head wraps and see how it goes. So I think I've talked enough. Let's just get into the video. Okay, that's enough, I think. Yeah, my hair now is manageable. I think we're good to go. Michelle has on 4 locks in this video, so of course her hair is a lot bulkier than mine. Mine is just my hair, so hopefully I'll be able to still make it work, make it look like hers. Every time our video is uploaded. My name is Michelle. Hi Michelle. So today's video will be very simple. I'll be showing you how to tie your head wraps and how to rock your head wraps so your braids get old, or really just want to spice up your hairdo. Head wraps are the way to go. Hey. Now, if you are new to my YouTube channel, you probably don't know that I love head wraps. I know. I love them. Head wraps make me look good. I make head wraps look good. Like, oh, okay, sorry Michelle, I'm just gonna forward this because I don't want this to be too long. This one doesn't require a big head wrap, so we're going to fold it into 2. Oh, okay. Mine is a big head wrap. Next, what you're going to do is this. Hold up. Mine is the big one, so I'm gonna fold it into 2 like she said. Wow, okay, this is pretty long. Okay, so there we go. I folded it into 2, and then place it like this. Make sure you cover a little bit of your ear. I just think head wraps look better when you cover a little bit of your ear. Okay. And then you just bring it here at the front. You cross it. Oh wow, like okay, this. Hold up. I might have to tie mine into 4. Wait, like a second fold because it's pretty wide. So I'm just gonna fold this again just to make it a bit narrower, because my hair is not bulky. Like I said, she has braids, I don't, so of course I'm gonna have to tweak some things to make them work. I know now I just have a lot of fabric, but we shall see. So I folded it again, so that now I have, yeah, that's better, I think. And then
there are those strings that I had removed.
oh yes,
and then you just take it to the back like this.
so she just crossed it, she tied it.
Then like this.
Oh, crossing.
And then you bring it to the front and just tuck it in.
And just stuck it in.
Now, this is just how you're going.
Okay, sour. So the back I think is okay. And then she just, let me make sure all my hair is out. Yeah, then she just wrapped it, I guess, and then took it to the back. Then cross it over again, and then bring it to the front, and then tuck these in. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that. Oh, I tucked them into the fold. Oh, okay. Okay, so maybe this is a little too much fabric for this, for just my hair. So of course, because I folded it twofold, basically, like I folded it and I folded it again. But I think it looks nice. But my hair is looking so flat though, so let me just fluff it up a bit. Next,
To rock it, it looks nice, it looks classy.
it looks nice,
But
yeah.
I mentioned in my previous video, you can just pull out a few
I don't have
and it's good.
I don't have strands to pull out like that, so so she tied a knot at the front and then wrapped the other ends into a bun. That's not hard, I think. Okay, so we're maintaining this here. Then sijui kama alifunga knot. I think so. Did you tie a knot, Michelle? Did you tie a knot? Yeah. There's a knot. So there's the knot. I'm not gonna tie it too tight because you don't need blood not flowing into your head. So yeah. So we have that, and then she rolled this one into, oh, I think I've tied that one before in my head wrap video. I don't know how to pose. Follow her page on Instagram. It's Nywele Chronicles. I'll link it in the description box. And her personal one, I think it's Anyango. And also subscribe to her YouTube channel. Show her some love on here as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't. And click on the bell so that you're notified when I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.